Hey guys, it's Brandon, and I'm back at it again with another Big Slick pomade review. Today I'm going to be talking about the Firm Hold hair pomade. Now, if you didn't see my last review on the original, what makes Big Slick unique is that it's a company that kind of caters to the Vegas style, old school feeling, old school pompadour wearing gentleman and gentlewoman. A lot of their stuff is usually on the slicker side, hence the name, and it has just kind of like this old school feel to it. It's weird, but you got to try it to understand it. Let's get right into it. So the Firm Hold, the jar is one of these screw types, and this one has the purple lettering and the clear sticker on the front, very similar to all the other ones in the line. And it has their logo and when they're established. On the back, it has the purple label, which is really nice. I like the simplistic look. I don't know if I said that in my last review, but I really like the simplistic, nice look to this. It has the hold, the shine, the scent. This one I have a special edition scent, so the color and the hold, or the smell is going to be a little bit different. But I have tried the original scent on this, so I'll get into that. The hold is 7 out of 10, the shine's medium, and the scent is a lavender pepper scent. Now, the ingredients on this are white petroleum, microcrystalline wax, beeswax, lanolin, olive oil, fragrance, and color. Another thing I like about Big Slick is, like the ingredients list, it's very simple and there's not a lot of ingredients in it. The scent of the lavender pepper is kind of like a fresh, spicy scent. It's really nice and I kind of like it a lot, personally. The green soap scent, I got the green soap and it's green, clearly. I don't know if you're familiar with green soap, but green soap, I'm familiar with it because I do a lot of the medical stuff. And what it is it's like a soap that will clean your hands really, really good that you use before like surgery and for disinfectants type stuff. So I got this kind of as a joke. But it smells exactly like green soap. It's hard to explain green soap, but it's kind of like a slight floral scent. Still really nice. I'm going to do the top layer. The scoopability, you have to put some pressure, but it comes out still really easy. Comes out, feels like a medium, and it breaks down like the medium too. You have to put a little bit more pressure in your hands, but still, you saw, with little to no work, it broke down really easy. That's one cool thing and a quality of the Big Slick line that I like a lot, is that all of their products really, at least to me, feel like they're easy to break down. At least the oil bases are easy to break down, easy to apply, and go on the hair nice and slick. Now, application on this, as compared to the original, you're going to feel this clearly firming up quite a bit faster than the original. This one is on the waxier side, whereas the ingredients are kind of similar as the original. This one is a little bit more wax heavy. Slicking it back, some tension, but nothing to write home about. You can see it's not too bad. My hair hasn't been combed today, so that also takes into effect. But really, really easy. Like I just said a couple seconds ago, the one good thing that I've always really liked about Big Slick is that their products are really easy to slick. They all are easy to run a comb through or a brush through, and I feel like they all, even the heavier ones, are easier to style with and get a desired look that you're going for. Using the Pompadour Creator, aka the pick, this one I'm going to pop up a little bit higher than I normally do, just because it can take it. Like, it can definitely make a firmer, or definitely make a higher pompadour because it firms up right away. And you'll feel that it doesn't become unruly or hard to work with, but you'll definitely feel this product set right away in the hair. This one, I feel like, compared to the medium, has quite a bit more grip, although I feel like the medium stays slick and easy to restyle. This one, I feel like when you put your sides down on this one, they stay down. And the one thing that I really do like about Big Slick as a whole is that although they use microcrystalline wax and beeswax, and although like it is typically their heavier products are a little bit more on the waxier side, this stuff is because of the slick-like nature to it, it's really, really nice in the hair and easy to restyle. Now, if you have some of these shorter sides, like me over here, you might get some fringe. You can see that. What I would suggest doing is getting a boar hair brush and just hitting the sides, and you'll see that it went down really easy. The endurance on this is going to be for most of the day, although I do notice that with this particular product, the Firm, when it starts to heat up, it does lose a little bit of the endurance. Much like the original pomade, it does come off a little bit lighter if the product isn't layered. Now, I haven't really ran into an issue with this because these products are meant to stay slick and be easy to restyle. And sometimes with the slicker products, you do have to sacrifice a little bit of endurance. This one, I don't feel like suffers from it as much as the original one does, but the original doesn't suffer that much as well. So what are my overall thoughts on the Big Slick Firm Hold? Well, if you're new to oil base and you're looking for a firmer holding product, I think you're really going to dig this. If you're newer to waxier products and you like stuff that isn't as dry, I think you're going to dig this. You know, I've said it before, I don't care for waxier products, and this is one of the products that has beeswax and microcrystalline wax in it that I do like to endorse. It stays nice and slick. You get a nice firm hold, and the endurance is probably a half step down from the middle of a firm. So it's still firm, but it's on the maybe medium to lighter side of a firm hold. What would I give this? You know, I would give it the same as the last one. It's as the original. It's a 4.5 out of 5. This is an excellent product, really good firm. Only thing this suffers from minorly is that the endurance can be a little bit lighter than you would normally get out of a firm in a lot of heat. But other than that, I got no gripes. I like the restylability. I like the application. I like the slickability. I like the scents. I like that they offer a bunch of different scents too. You can catch them on a sale. But I just like this product a lot, especially as a firm. So let me know what you think about this. If you got any questions or comments, leave them in the section below. And let me know if you've tried it. And have a good one.